Hi there, I am Alex Cunningham, and I will walk you through this Shopify tutorial step by step.
In today's video, I'm going to walk you step by step through adding social media icons to your Shopify store. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have clickable icons linking to your social media profiles right in your footer, so customers can find and connect with you on the platforms that matter. If you want your store to look more professional and make it easy for visitors to interact with your brand online, you're in the right place. Let's jump right in. So, the first thing you need to do is hop into your Shopify admin panel. Once you're there, look to the menu on the left-hand side and click on Online Store. This is basically your home base for all things related to the design and structure of your website. You'll see a few options pop out underneath. Go ahead and click Customize. This is where the magic happens. Think of it like your creative workshop where you get to adjust how your store looks to all your visitors. Once you're inside the theme customizer, the next step is to focus on your footer. Scroll down to the very bottom of the preview window. You'll see your store's footer, which is the section that appears at the bottom of every single page. Click on Footer here. Sometimes this might take a second to load, especially if you have a lot of sections on your home page, so don't worry if you have to wait a moment. Now, over on the right-hand side, you'll see various settings related to your footer. What you want to look for is something that says Manage Social Media Icons, or possibly just Social Media. Give that a click. This is where you'll be able to actually activate those little icons that link out to all your different social channels. Next, take a look on the left side. You should see fields where you can add the links for your various social media platforms: Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, whatever your store uses. Just paste the full URL for each one into the corresponding field. For example, if you have an Instagram page, go ahead and paste the actual link to your Instagram profile right here. Even if you only have one or two profiles, it's totally fine to leave the others blank. Only the icons for the platforms you've filled out will show up in your footer. Once you've put in all your links, don't forget this next part. Click the Save button. It should be either at the top or the bottom right of your screen. Saving ensures all the changes you've just made get applied to your live store. A quick tip: Shopify doesn't always autosave, so making sure you manually save will prevent any frustration down the road. Now, let's see your new social media icons in action. Click the Preview button, usually at the top of the customizer, and open up your storefront in a new tab. Scroll all the way to the bottom of the page. You should now see those tiny social media icons sitting neatly in the corner of your footer. Go ahead and click them. You should be taken straight to your social media pages. And that's it. Adding social media icons is a fantastic way to make your store feel more connected and accessible to your customers. If any icons aren't showing up, double-check you've entered the right links. And remember, it's totally normal to adjust and experiment until you get things just how you like. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. And let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if there's another Shopify feature you want to learn about. Make sure to subscribe for more step-by-step guides like this one. Thanks for watching and happy customizing.